name is Shweta Puri, and I'm a psychologist by profession. I've been practicing as a counseling psychologist for almost 4 years now. I have completed my MA in psychology, and I've done primarily RECBT from Ellis Institute, New York. As far as when I got to know about ACT Act happening, Act I was aware of because it's a term which is, it's a third generation therapy under the cognitive behavior therapy umbrella. So I was aware of the therapy. I had read books on it. So when you announced this workshop, I was already keen to do ACT. The reason, for me, ACT, when I joined in, again, like somebody mentioned, expectations कुछ खास नहीं थी, because theoretically समझ में आ रहा था what is ACT all about. But the way I have experienced ACT now is wonderful. मेरा the metaphors, the experiential learning, everything. So you know, with CBT, REBT, like somebody mentioned, कि थोड़ा preachy हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी हम, और जब हम dispute करना शुरू करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कभी शायद empathy भी lose कर देते हैं, which is what I was finding the gap in my CBT REBT practice. Somewhere I think this fills in that gap for me. जो हम empathy, especially because ACT का जैसे आपने बताया wellness to illness, पहले तो मुझे लगा I think it's a very over promising thing that you're saying कि it is from wellness to illness. But now I've realized it is because हमारे जो सारा way of living है, अगर हम ACT के through देखें, we humans are meant to go through that pain which we are wanting to avoid. So for me, the biggest takeaway from ACT as a therapy is that all emotions by far, you know, हम जब happiness आता है, हम कभी question नहीं करते हैं why should I be happy or why am I feeling this way. But whenever sadness or anger or all these emotions come, हम बार बार एक ही चीज पूछ रहे होते हैं, and that is why we suffer. That gap which I've understood from you, ma'am, that जो ये एक reality gap है, जितना वो बढ़ाते जाएंगे उतना वो suffering बढ़ता जाएगा. So ACT की basis philosophy है, but the way you have explained it to us, it's not preachy. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने अपनी philosophy पढ़ी भी नहीं है, but because it is not preachy, because you're actually experiencing it, it comes across as a beautiful therapy for, I mean, I like Prithvi ma'am is saying, मैं तो अब ACT ही use कर रही हूँ, CBT REBT कहीं पीछे रह गया है. I think I'm using most ACT with my clients now. So takeaway from this is my first workshop with you. I have this is my first experience with you. I'm thankful to you, and पता नहीं instinctively मैंने basic और advanced दोनों में book कराया तो, so I'll not be unlucky one जिनको एक साल के बाद मिलेगा ये मौका. First workshop with you, the takeaways from all your workshops which I have experienced is the structure that you give to your workshop, ma'am. I think it's a very well, आप बहुत homework करके आते हो when you're coming and teaching us. You have already, you know, it's like almost the flow is so smooth with us कि हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि हमने 3 घंटे कहाँ निकाल लिए. Resources immense. I don't know, I have never seen a mentor sharing so many books, so much of resources. And I am a person who likes to question, and I have asked you, I don't know how many questions, but without fail, आपने हमारे सारे questions का answer किया है. And not because, you know, like एक clarity थी उन answers में. हम जब तक satisfied नहीं थे, we kept on asking those questions, and you kept on answering. So that's my takeaway from your session. So I'm thankful to you that I've had this opportunity with you. The other thing that you've asked about it, who should take up ACT? It's like everybody's saying, it's for everyone. Okay, if you're human, if you're breathing, if you're living in this world, you should all go by ACT, because ACT में आपको, it's a philosophy of life, it's a way of living. There is no other way of living. अगर हम सोचेंगे कि हम इस world में आए हैं और हम चीजें avoid कर सकते हैं, या हम चीजों को cling on कर सकते हैं, happiness को cling on कर सकते हैं, वो होने वाला नहीं है. That is not possible. So अगर आए हैं, let us have a full फ्लेजिड एक्सपीरियंस, और ये वर्ड तो मेरे साथ रहने वाला है. फुल मीनिंगफुल लाइफ इज व्हाट वी नीड टू लिव इन. So I think everybody should take up ACT. It's for all human beings. As far as you as a facilitator goes, I think मैंने बहुत पहले ही बोल दिया है, but I'm going to still say it again. Extremely structured, ma'am. Your concepts are very clear. बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं साइकोलॉजी के, यू आर एक्चुअली सिंप्लीफाइंग इट, बिकॉज इस वर्कशॉप पे आई नोटिस दैट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स टू यू, नॉट जस्ट साइकोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड बट डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड्स. अगर वो उन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को समझ सकते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं आपकी इतनी क्लैरिटी है. यू नो, आई हैड रेड समवेयर, इफ यू कांट टीच इट टू समबडी दैट मींस यू डोंट नो इट योरसेल्फ. So you have that clarity in you, and that is why your effectiveness comes in, क्योंकि वो इतना आप उसको हर एक लेवल पे सिंप्लीफाई कर पाते हो. So from concrete to abstract to concrete लेकर आते हो आप हमारे लिए, which is a very good thing which I have realized with you. Definitely would love to do more workshop